それでは本日お知らせするトピックスはこちら。まずバーチャルマーケット5のテーマですが、こちらに決定しました。ワールドビヨンド。
So why would we love for you to exhibit at VCAT 5? VCAT is a festival of creators in virtual space and was designed as a way to celebrate and promote our VR citizens, build a new economy, and grow the culture springing up around avatars. If you've ever been to Anime Expo or Comic-Con, Virtual Market is just like that, but in the comfort of fantastic platforms like VR Chat. The registration period is short, but you have several months of time to create a finished booth in one of the incredible handmade VCAT 5 worlds. Even if you have no 3D model to distribute, or you would like to provide something for free, you are welcome to show off what you can do. You can promote your virtual worlds or community, dances or events, your games, scripts, tutorials, streams, or YouTube channel. You can even build a booth together to celebrate the friends you've made along the way. We are accepting exhibition applications from everyone who applies during the sign-up period. Some areas might even be limited in the number of exhibitors, so it's best to register your interest early. It's incredibly easy to complete registration. Virtual Market and the global team are here to support you every step of the way during the booth creation process. If you intend to exhibit solo, or you'd like to form a group as the leader, head on over to v-market.work/v5. First, make sure the site is in your language by clicking on the globe icon on the top right. Next, click on Exhibitor Registration. Read the details on the event and how each world's unique booth sizes are configured. Please look over the terms and conditions so you understand the content you can have on public display in our hosting partners. Finally, click both boxes. The first box indicates that you've read the details above, and the second box indicates that you were either solo or the leader of your group, or circle, as they say in Japan. If you are working with a team and you intend on creating a single booth, one of you should register for VCAT 5, and the rest of you can use the hash number to attach to the group, which is found on the My Page details on your v-market.work account. But if each of you wants to release your own booth, that's okay too. There's nothing preventing you from working together, but each participant will have to register as an exhibitor separately. The only information you need to provide while registering is an exhibitor group name, the group name in Japanese, and for now you can just put the English. And the global team can help you fill this out later. Your first language, and an icon. The header and image, and exhibitor group introductions in both languages can wait until later. Arguably, the hardest part of this entire process is deciding what world to exhibit at. During the registration process, you can pick one, but up until the end of the registration period, you can change it if you change your mind. The theme worlds allow you an opportunity to match your personal aesthetic. Virtual Showcase is for showing off small items or a smaller booth. This world is really good for first-timers, as you only have to fill a 2x2 by 4 meter space. We also have the return of Default Cube, which is a 10 meter by 10 meter by 10 meter space, great for large worlds or group exhibits. And if you're one of those who's moved on to Udon, you can choose the Udon Cube. Remember, Virtual Market's exhibition deadline is closing in fast. The VCAT 5 registration deadline was extended, but you'll have months to create and perfect your cargo. Get more details and sign up before it's too late at www.v-market.work/v5/LP.